Okay, here we are again. And the directions say, evaluate to 3 decimal places using the change of base formula. Now here's the deal. Our typical bases are 10, which is the common base, or E, which is the natural base. Those are the two we work in most often. Those are the two the calculators have been programmed with. But this is a base 3. And they're asking us to change the base. That's why they say change of base formula. They're asking us to change the base. Now, you have choices. Since we have base 10 and E, you have 2 choices. And here's how we go about this. To change the base, it becomes a division problem. I could use base 10, so log base 10 in the numerator and denominator. Remember, when you don't write the base, it's a 10. Now, log base 10 of what? Well, in the numerator, it's the original number. Log base 10 of what in the denominator? In the denominator, it's the original base. So, let me write it a little cleaner. So to figure out log base 3 of 21, I am going to do log of 21 divided by log of 3. Now the great thing is, I could have also done this in base E. As opposed to doing base 10, I could have said natural log of 21 over the natural log of 3. It doesn't matter. You get the exact same answer either way. So, let's see how you do on your calculators. You know what to hit as well as I do. You hit the ln button of 21 and close the parenthesis it opened. Me personally, I'll hit equals. Then I'll hit the divided by sign. I'll hit the ln button again, and then I type in a 3 and close the parenthesis. Might help if I typed in a 3, and then close the parenthesis. And they want 2 3 decimal places, correct? Okay. Well, for the ln, I got 2.771. Now let me see if I get the same thing with base 10. So I'm going to hit the log of 21 and close the parenthesis. And then I always hit equals. Then I hit the divided by, and I'll hit log of 3 and close the parenthesis, and then equals. And gratefully, I got the same exact result. So it worked both ways. Now some of you are like saying, instead of hitting the equal to sign, like when you typed in ln of 21, couldn't you just hit the division symbol? Here's my challenge. If I forget to close that parenthesis, then the calculator is going to do this, which I don't want it to do. So I have to be really cautious about it. So me personally, I'll hit the ln, it opens the parentheses of 21, close it, I hit equals. Then I hit divided by, it automatically takes this answer, ln of 3. Or log base 10. Either way, it's the same result. Good? Okay, so I have some examples coming your way. Work on them before you find my answer key video. Catch you guys on the flip side.